Hello, here we're comparing a trade Satinwood paint with an eggshell paint that claims it doesn't need a primer or undercoat. Right, first up, Dulux Trade Quick Dry Satinwood. This has a 30% sheen finish. We've already primed this section with Dulux Aqua Uniprimer, so let's see how it covers. It's a lovely paint to use. If you're a fan of oil-based finishes, you'll appreciate this one. It still feels more solvent than water-based as you put it on. We did 2 coats over the primer. Next, Little Greene's Intelligent Eggshell. It's sold as a self-priming water-based multi-surface paint with a 15% sheen, which is slightly lower than a typical eggshell. The area ended up needing 3 coats, but in its defence, it was going on a nasty stained surface and managed to block any bleed through. Also, the upside of a self-priming eggshell is convenience. 1 tin and no need to worry about buying a primer or undercoat. And here's how they look fully dry. If you're after a no-hassle 1 tin solution, Little Greene's Intelligent Eggshell performs really well. But if you prefer a more traditional Satinwood sheen and want to see how far water-based paints have come, you'll be impressed with Dulux Trade Quick Dry Satinwood. Don't forget, we mix these tins in all colours, and if you need some more advice, our paint and wood care experts are just a call away on 01303 477 555. Do subscribe to the channel to get more updates, how-to videos and product spotlights.